Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because it will be transferred to our website where you can find all of the codes I'll present you today with some additional information, but also many other tutorials connected with this device. Alright, so let's start. Let's open the dialer, as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes, and let's start with the shortest one, which is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both the main numbers and the serial number of this device. So here we've got a really quick way to enter this specific and important information. Let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar information. Unfortunately, mine has not been updated, but no worries, I can explain everything. So here you will have all the events which are saved, gathered in one place. You can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they're grouped into particular sections. Now let me go back and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu where you can find information about your device. It is *##4636 #*#. And here we've got the testing mode. We can check some phone info, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let's start with this one, for example. Just tap on it. And for some reason it does not want to enter. Usage statistics, here we should have the list of apps. I'm not really sure why it does not want to update, but I just wanted to show you that we've got the secret code which will open this section. Let me open the phone info, as apparently only this option works. So here in the phone info you can check the email number again, roaming, data service, voice and network type. Of course you will have this information if you've got your SIM card inserted. I do not have mine, that is why we cannot check the info. You can also run ping test here, and after tapping on the three dots icon you can view service dialing numbers and enable data connection. Let's go back and let me show you another code, the last code for today's video, and it should open the diagnostic mode. It is *##426 #*#. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we've got the server, host port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. Of course, we can also show advanced view. Three dots icon in the right upper corner, tap on advanced view and tap on the status again. And here we've got much more information. So, for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.